My bolt action rifle, okay? And what I like about these is we're going to use the bipods, and with the bipods, what we're going to do is we can adjust it so it fits the kid depending on the size and the height, because we want to try to shoot as straight through that target as we can. And so for me, since I am a right-handed shooter, I'm going to and I'm a little bit taller, I'm just going to adjust the legs of the bipod just like that. So one thing to think about with these bipods is they do have a swivel on them. So if we're not careful, we can if we're leaning on them too much, we can kind of cant the rifle. Close range like this, it's not going to be a big deal, but out at 100 yards, it could affect your accuracy. Who wears a backpack to school? Everybody? Okay, so you know where that strap goes on your backpack? That's where this part of my rifle goes, okay? You see that? And so the way it looks like is, so some of my commands for today is, when I say the range is hot, I'm going to turn off these lights, the red lights here. They're going to quit flashing. We're going to make sure that we have our hearing protection either in or on, depending on what style we're using. And our safety glasses are going to be on because we're going to be getting ready to shoot. And the goal here is we're going to have our feet flat on the ground. We're going to use the bench here to kind of stabilize the position and build our position. Okay? And so range is hot, eyes and ears are on. One of my commands next is going to be get the rifle into the shooting position. Okay? So what I mean by that is I'm going to be kind of here like this, and I'm going to get this rifle close to me like this. And then my next step is I'm going to say, go ahead and pull out that chamber flat, okay? Pull out that chamber flat. And so when I say that, we're going to just go ahead and pull this out, and we're just going to set that aside because we're going to use that a little bit later, okay? Next step is I'm going to say, once everybody's going to be on the same page, I'm going to say, let's go ahead and load and make ready. So what we'll do, you see this? These are dummy rounds. What we'll do is we'll take this box magazine. There's a little mag well right here, and you'll see it once we get the rifle. Is we're going to load and make ready. So what we'll do is we'll seat that magazine up there. You're going to hear it click like that. That means it's locked. And then what you'll do is you'll push forward on the bolt and then push down. And then we're going to make sure the gun is on safe, okay? You see there's no red right here. If I push forward, I'm going to hear a click. And I can see red, okay? So my next step is I'm going to say, so we're going to make sure that that gun is on safe. Our finger is straight and off of the trigger just like this, okay? And then what I'll do is I'll say shooters ready. Okay, that's kind of the sign that we're getting ready to go. So what you can do is you can kind of get that gun into the firing position like this, okay? When we're making a sight picture or a sight alignment, we're going to make sure that we're going to align that front sight on the rear sight on the bullseye of that target, okay? So what I'll do is I'll say shooters ready. I see a dog. Hi, doggo. Okay, the benefits of the range. And so my next step is I'm going to say shooters ready, and I'll say stand by, and then when I say fire, and the only time I should ever hear this noise, listen for the noise. Hear that click? The only time I should ever hear that click is after I give you a command to fire, okay? So what I would love to see you guys do is I want you guys to get up on the rifle. I want you to line the front sight with the rear on that target. I want you to click it off safe, and then you're just going to go to the trigger, and you're just going to press that trigger. The gun will go bang, and then the finger comes off the trigger, okay? And then once all the guns go off at about the same time, I'm going to say cycle back on safe, okay? So what it looks like is when I cycle back on safe is I lift up on the bolt handle just like that. I cycle it to the rear, which kicks out that spent casing. And then I close the bolt, and then I make sure the gun's back on safe, and then fingers off the trigger, and then we repeat the process 100 times. I just threw a lot of information at you really quickly. Does anybody have any questions? And what we'll do is we'll start off with dry fire practice, so we'll kind of get the process down, and then we'll add ammunition, so it'll all make sense in just a moment. So Any other questions? Anybody afraid? Don't be afraid. We're good. This is totally normal. That's the one thing I do for you guys as parents. This is completely normal, and it's completely safe, and it's something that really will benefit their lives going forward, because we're going to teach them safety, discipline, and respect for the firearm today. And this is something that they could actually teach their friends, and teach their friends that guns are not toys, they're tools, and we're going to treat them appropriately. And that's how we're going to reduce all the things that happen in society. So we're glad you're here. So I have a loaded gun right now with a dummy round. I'm going to show you. If you guys want to come right here, I'll show you how we clear a gun. Okay. So you can kind of be over here so I can kind of show you. And so if the gun was loaded, how I clear it is my first step is, you see this little tab right here? I'm going to push forward on that tab, and then the magazine just kind of drops out like that. And then what I do is I eject that casing, right? I don't want it. I didn't want it to do that. It did that. So we'll leave it there. It's okay. And then so what I do is, once I have the magazine out, the round is out of my chamber, then I'm going to visibly inspect the chamber. I'm going to say, is there a round in that chamber? Can you see a round in there? No, there's not a round in there. So what we'll do then, once we have that clear, we stick that chamber flag in there just like that. And then we make sure the gun's on safe, and this gun is clear. Okay? About the safest I can make the gun today. Does that all make sense? Yeah. We'll get it. Okay?
5 million% safe.
5 billion%?
Million.
5 million. Okay, yeah, 5 billion's a lot. That's a lot. So good. So see how I did that? Muzzle straight up just like that. And then what I'll do is kind of shrink the legs, and just like that. And then I'll put the gun back in the rack.